Now let us talk about various services which are under the civil services exam. So UPSC में कौन सी नौकरियाँ आती है? So basically there are three types of services which are filled through the common civil services exam. First one is the All India services. Second type is Group A civil service. Third is Group B civil services. Now let us look into each of them in detail. All India services include Indian Administrative Service, IAS, IPS and Indian Forest Service. These are called All India services because they are under dual control of center plus state. Further, a cadre is allotted to the selected candidate and they serve to that cadre. Then we have Group A services. Here 16 types of services are included. These are also called as IAS allied services. So these services are under various ministries. For example, Indian Foreign Service is under Ministry of External Affairs. Likewise, there are various services: Indian Audit and Account Service, Indian Civil Account Service, Indian Corporate Law Service, Indian Ordnance Factory Board Service, Indian Information Service. For example, you must have heard about Prasar Bharati, All India Radio. So there the recruitment is through the Indian Information Service. Likewise, we have Indian Defence Estate Service, Indian Defence Account Service. These are under Ministry of Defence. Indian Communication Finance Service, Indian Postal Service, Indian Railway Account Service, Indian Railway Personal Service and Railway Protection Force. These three are under Railway Ministry. Then we have Indian Trade Service, Indian Revenue Service, Indian Railway Traffic Service. So each service is under a specific ministry. Okay. So these are called IAS allied services. Now third type of service are Group B services. These services are very much like the Public Service Commission services because they cater to a specific area. For example, we have Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Service. Then we have DANIX. DANIX stands for Daman and Diu, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep Civil Services. So these are union territories. So common exam is held for filling services of these union territories. Similarly, we have police service for these union territories. For Pondicherry, we have civil service and police service. So these services are called Group B service because here pay scale is different. Further, they cater to a specific area, that is the union territory. So these were the services included under the UPSC exam. Thank you.